Ooh, that gives me an... So this gives me a guaranteed lockpick every turn. Which is pretty sick. Draw an extra attack at the start of each combat. I like that too. This is all... This is... I like this. Let's do this. Okay, so we can use a key on this. I wonder if the color of the card is its rarity. It's got to be, right? Evolve 3? Ooh. When you heal past max health, increase max health by 3. Wait a minute. This could be good too, though. All these seem good, man. I really don't need this one, I don't think. I don't know what it evolves into. But I've got my passive is going to give me a lot of lockpicks. I'm going to get this one. I don't know if that was good or bad, but that's what I'm getting.